In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a site in Webflow. Now let's dive right into it. First, ensure you're logged into your Webflow account. Once you're in, direct your attention to your dashboard, which is like your control center. From here, navigate over to the section called All Sites. This is where you'll find a list of every project you've created within Webflow. Here's where it might seem a bit challenging. You'd think that by clicking the three dots next to your site, you'd find the option to delete it. Unfortunately, you won't see any such option there. Even if you delve into the site settings, you're going to find a myriad of options, custom settings, integrations, and more. But still, nothing that explicitly allows you to hit delete. This is where Webflow's unique approach comes into play. What they've done is essentially rename the delete option to something slightly different: archive. Archiving a site is the Webflow equivalent of removing or deleting a site from your workspace. It might not be a complete deletion like you'd expect, but it does the job in most cases. There are two simple ways to archive your site. First, from the All Sites menu, you can archive directly, or you can choose to open your site's settings page and find the archive option from there. Regardless of the route you take, once you select Archive, you'll encounter a pop-up warning. This message is crucial. It informs you about several instant changes. Your site will be immediately removed from your dashboard. It will be unpublished. All team members will lose access. And finally, the webflow.io domain for that particular project will be reserved. To proceed, you need to confirm your intention. Type in the site name along with an additional verification code provided to you. You have the choice to type this out or simply copy and paste it to avoid any potential errors. After entering the required information, click Archive Site. And just like that, your site is archived. In Webflow terms, this process is essentially how you delete a project. It might seem a bit roundabout initially, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of Webflow. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.